So on my right here we have our laser cutter. This is designed for cutting into acrylic, plywood, cardboard, tissue paper. I've etched into bread and made sort of patterns with toast and things like that. Using the computer, we tend to use 2D design tools, or you can use Illustrator. If you come out this side, this way, to my right we have our kiln. This is for firing ceramics, and we can do some glass work in there as well. We have a cement mixer, and to my left, behind the screen, we have our welding area and for heat working, for soldering and things like that. It has got its extractor, and the welding kit is kept in the cupboard out the way until we use it. Okay. So if we go down to the right here, okay, so on my left here we have all our hand tools. We have your usual array of wood saws, hammers, chisels, hacksaws, pliers, files, etc. All these tools are to be used in the workshop, but it is possible to take them out on a short-term loan basis and then return them at the end of the day. But you need to sign these out and to get the tools. Due to the current situation, any tools you need I will get out the cupboard for you and give to you, rather than getting you to look into the cupboard and start scrabbling around trying to find the right piece of equipment. If you'd like to follow me, so here we have a vacuum former. This is for forming PVC and HIPS plastic into forms and shapes, which we quite often use for making very quick moulds. But again, it takes a little bit of time to warm up, so I need a bit of notice before you want to use it. And to my right we have our plaster bins. Again, if you're using the plaster, when you mix it, we expect you to wear a face mask, which hopefully you'll be wearing anyway, to stop any dust going into your lungs. Once it's a liquid, it's mixed up, it's not a problem. If you'd like to follow me. So here we have a general casting bench. We also use it for making large canvas stretchers. It's for mould making, casting. And we also have, to my right, we have some pewter castings, low metal casting. And to my left we have some wax pots and a material known as gel flex, which is a reusable rubber moulding compound. We can also in here work with silicone rubber, fiberglass resins, some epoxy resins and various other materials, and just to make moulds and casts. So any questions on that, you need to just email me and contact me, and I will be able to have a conversation with you and we can go from there. If we go to our left over here, we have a small metalworking area. So we have a hand guillotine, a combined brake press and metal former. And over here we have a powered hacksaw. Just saves your arms when you're trying to cut a big piece of metal rather than using a hacksaw. And as you can see, this is my office over there. This is where I live, and I can see you when you come into the room and let you in when you book a time and space. Okay, so any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me, where we use a video conferencing initially, talk about what you want to do, and then we will book a time for you to come into the workshop when I can aid you and help you carry out what you want to make or do. Right, thank you very much.